Question number one is, what are the Sirocco, Mistral, and Chinook? Answer is winds. Question number two is, who wrote about Willie Wonka and the chocolate factory? Answer is Roald Dahl. Question number three is, what was the name of the plantation in Gone with the Wind? Answer is Tara. Question number four is, who won the 1988 Super Bowl? Answer is Washington Redskins. Question number five is, which group believes in the great architect of the universe? Answer is Freemasons. Question number six is, who wrote Gulliver's Travel? Answer is Jonathan Swift. Question number seven is, the dunnock is another name of which common bird? Answer is hedge sparrow. Question number eight is, who discovered blood circulation? Answer is William Harvey. Question number nine is, if someone said that they were from Hellas, then he is from which country? Answer is Greece. Question number 10 is, who wrote Brave New World? Answer is Aldous Huxley.